Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing both devices so they can talk. Make sure handoff is on and both devices share the same Apple ID. This authorizes Sidecar. Turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi and plug a cable if you want a wired link. On your Mac, open System Settings and choose Displays, or click the AirPlay icon and pick your iPad. Once done, the iPad becomes a secondary display, and you can immediately drag windows onto it to extend your desktop. Now configure how you'll work. Choose Extend to expand your desktop or mirror to replicate the Mac screen. That decision affects multitasking and window placement. Make sure Sidebar or Touch Bar is enabled in Sidecar settings so you get modifier keys and shortcuts on the iPad. This makes Command, Shift, and Tab available without the Mac keyboard. Drag app windows to the iPad and use the Apple Pencil for precision input. This is why designers and note-takers prefer Sidecar over simple screen sharing. Finish by disconnecting when you're done. Click the AirPlay icon or choose Disconnect in System Settings, then unplug the cable if used. Keep an eye on battery life. Use a cable for long sessions and close unused apps to reduce load. If things go wrong, here's the key troubleshooting tip. Make sure handoff is enabled and both devices are on the same Apple ID, then toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi or sign out and back into iCloud. This usually restores the Sidecar connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.